How to fix Instagram calls easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram calls in less than 1 minute. First thing guys is open the settings and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do here is very simple, don't worry, just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Instagram app. After you find it, now you have to click on it. Click on this force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go to the data usage. Make sure also that every network access right here are enabled. Go back, click on this storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again. Click on the power usage details. Now this is the battery usage details. Click on the app launch and enable the manage automatically option. Click OK. Now restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.